How to buy Scarf token. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any crypto that you find on my channel, please do your own research. As you can see, before going on buy this token, make sure to check their accounts and keep following the updates about this token. Go and check the community. As you can see, they have 105 members. Go and engage with them. So this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 3 hours ago and it's increased by 2000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's my investment in safe place. This token trending number 19 in the screener. So people to buy this token, copy the token address from here. This token address is under the Solana network. Open your fund to wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive. So after that, select provider, for example, OKX, and make sure to write all of that information here. Click on swap and you will be able to redirect it to provider page to be able to buy this token. If you find any issue, go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or customer, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the Scarf token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.